Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do a test of the Sequre Escape 32 as well as the drivetrain. This particular location is very rocky and rugged, loose, and it's going to probably require a bit of wheel speed to get over some obstacles. This is not maintained, it's just a random rock pile, so there's a lot of holes and places to get bound up, so hopefully we can come out of this unscathed. The power delivery of this ESC and motor is pretty much instantaneous. I can tell there's a lot more punch and power over my previous Fusion SE 1800. To be honest, I did tune the Fusion with the programmer, but out of the box, the Escape 32 is a lot more smoother and linear for throttle input on the trigger. This V-gap is very tricky. I tried several times and it requires precise tire placement along with throttle input to make it through.
Oh. Yeah, just barely made it.
I've been beating on this truck pretty hard and getting into a lot of binds, using the wheel speed to get it out, and everything's held up so far. The only thing I've noticed that the motor seemed like it went into a stall protection mode and didn't want to move. So I'll have to take a look into the settings. Maybe I need to adjust something there. At this point in the run, it's starting to make some funny noises, so I think I'm done for the day.